private equity. It's a world of opportunity, a realm where savvy investors can unlock substantial returns. Unlike public markets, private equity offers a unique landscape for those seeking higher returns and a more hands-on approach. But with great potential comes the need for deep understanding and strategic execution. This isn't just about investing, it's about active ownership. Private equity firms take a controlling stake in companies, guiding their growth and unlocking their true value. It's a dynamic process demanding both financial acumen and operational expertise. The allure of private equity lies in its ability to generate significant wealth for investors and reshape industries. It's a driving force behind innovation, propelling businesses towards new heights. But navigating this world requires more than just capital. It demands a strategic mindset and a keen understanding of the ever-evolving market. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of private equity in 2024, we'll equip you with the knowledge and insights to master this exciting investment landscape. In private equity, success hinges on adapting to changing market dynamics. Past strategies may not hold true in the years to come. Embrace a nuanced, forward-looking approach. Sector specialization is key. Gone are the days of broad diversification. Become an expert in a specific niche. Prioritize digital transformation for success. The private equity landscape is in constant flux, shaped by macroeconomic forces, technological advancements, and evolving investor preferences. Understanding these key trends and market shifts is essential for making informed investment decisions. One prominent trend is the rise of ESG investing. Environmental, social, and governance factors are no longer just a box to tick, they're integral to long-term value creation. Investors are increasingly seeking opportunities that align with their values, driving demand for sustainable and socially responsible businesses. Another major shift is the increasing competition for attractive assets. With record levels of dry powder, private equity firms are facing fierce competition to deploy capital. This makes it crucial to identify undervalued opportunities and move swiftly to secure deals. Furthermore, the rise of technology is disrupting traditional industries and creating new investment avenues. From fintech and e-commerce to artificial intelligence and biotechnology, the rapid pace of innovation is reshaping the investment landscape, presenting both opportunities and challenges for private equity investors. Navigating the complex world of private equity requires more than just theoretical knowledge. It demands practical insights and actionable advice. Here are some tips for savvy investors looking to make their mark in this dynamic market. First, conduct thorough due diligence. Don't just rely on surface-level information. Dig deep, understand the business model, analyze the financials, and assess the management team. A comprehensive understanding of the investment opportunity is crucial for mitigating risk and maximizing returns. Second, build strong relationships. Private equity is a relationship-driven business. Network with industry professionals, cultivate relationships with potential co-investors, and establish trust with the management teams of portfolio companies. Finally, be patient and disciplined. Private equity is a long-term game. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations or the fear of missing out. Stick to your investment strategy, focus on value creation, and be prepared to hold investments for the long haul. Section 5. Navigating the pitfalls, avoiding common mistakes. While private equity offers significant potential rewards, it also comes with its share of risks. Even experienced investors can fall prey to common pitfalls. By understanding these potential mistakes, we can learn to navigate them effectively. One common mistake is overpaying for assets. In a competitive market, it's tempting to get caught up in bidding wars and overestimate a company's true worth. Conduct thorough valuations and be disciplined in your approach to avoid overpaying. Another pitfall is neglecting operational improvements. Private equity is not just about financial engineering, it's about rolling up your sleeves and working alongside management to enhance operations, streamline processes, and drive growth. Don't underestimate the importance of operational expertise. Finally, be wary of excessive leverage. While leverage can amplify returns, it can also magnify losses. Strive for a balanced capital structure that supports long-term growth without exposing the company to undue financial risk. Section 6. Case Studies, Success Stories in Private Equity. Examining real-world examples of private equity success stories can provide valuable lessons. Let's delve into a few notable case studies. Before becoming a global giant, Airbnb was a struggling startup. Sequoia Capital invested $585,000 in 2009. They provided capital and strategic guidance. Airbnb's valuation soared to over $100 billion. In 2006, private equity firms acquired Dunkin' Brands for $2.4 billion. They revitalized the brand and expanded its menu. Dunkin' Brands flourished, going public in 2011. These case studies show the power of strategic vision and long-term investment in private equity. Section 7. The future is bright. Embracing the potential of private equity. The future of private equity is brimming with possibilities, driven by technological advancements and a global shift towards alternative investments. New opportunities in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Private equity firms can leverage their expertise to nurture promising startups. Emerging markets present vast untapped opportunities. As these economies expand, significant opportunities arise. Success lies in embracing innovation and focusing on value creation. Navigating the market with agility and foresight will reap rewards. Section 8. Conclusion: Your journey to private equity mastery. Mastering private equity is not a destination, it's a journey of continuous learning, adaptation, and strategic execution. By embracing the insights and strategies outlined in this essay, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of this dynamic market and unlock its vast potential. Remember, success in private equity requires more than just capital. It demands a deep understanding of market trends, a commitment to operational excellence, and a long-term investment horizon. By cultivating these qualities and approaching each investment opportunity with diligence and foresight, you can position yourself for success in the exciting world of private equity. The future belongs to those who dare to venture beyond the familiar, who embrace innovation, and who possess the unwavering determination to turn challenges into opportunities. As you embark on your own private equity journey, approach it with confidence, embrace the unknown, and never stop learning. The rewards are well worth it.